How's everyone doing? Let me know you're out there in the chat. This is the eBay 2021 Top Series 1 and Bowman 2021 2 hobby box break. We do have two teams available. Uh, Generally, they were $6 a team on eBay. So we can do 6 each, or if someone wants both Colorado and Houston, we'll do both of them for $9. Wow, man, the Knicks were down big and now they're up by 8. Okay, so that's Eric. I'll put my PayPal up, Eric. Eric got it for 9. First one in there at 9. So I'm going to put my PayPal up there, Eric. If you could just send to fairwaysportscards@gmail.com. Appreciate that. And I'll put you in for the Rockies and Astros. Got the payment, Eric. Thank you. We're going to get going here with this. Yeah, isn't that how it works, Derek, isn't it? All right, so let's get going with this without further ado. Appreciate everyone joining, and if you haven't done so, appreciate you subscribing to the channel here. This way you know when we go live with breaks, as well as saving me as an eBay seller. Do a lot of breaks on eBay, as well as fairwaysportscards.com, where new customers do receive 10% off using the code FIRST10. After this break here, I'll be hanging on to do personals. Have some breaks over there as well on fairwaysportscards.com. Anyone wants to jump in some of these football divisionals we got going, we got 3 left in the Chronicles, 5 left in Select, and then a bunch of personals available, including some baseball on the site as well. So fairwaysportscards.com. New customers do receive 10% off using the code FIRST10. So we'll get into it here. We'll do tops first, and then we'll do Bowman second to us. You know, since it's a newer product. And appreciate, again, everyone joining. Good luck, and let's pull some fire with this. Here we go. All right, we'll do quarters. We'll rip a few packs in a row, go through them, and then do it again. Blaze Jordan, yep. Rockies is Veen, yeah. Not a first Bowman, though. He was obviously in a Bowman draft. All right, here we go. We'll do the first quarter. Otani, Shane Bieber, Machado, Juan Soto, Tigers team card, Ryan Castellani for the Rockies, Nick Heath for the Royals, and McKenzie for Cleveland. Buster Posey, 86, Acuna, Dodgers World Series, Chris Bubic, Royals, Bo Burrows, Detroit, Bo Bichette, Patino for San Diego, and then we got, ooh, check this one out, Brandon Kinsler, 4 out of 76 for the Marlins. All right, that one's going out to Alexis. DeGrom. DeGrom again. McKay Future Stars. DJ LeMahieu. Glaber. Cody Bellinger. Dodgers. Yankees. Chadwick Trump. Monty Harrison. Joey Bart. Dylan Carlson. Belak. Evan White, Seattle. Luis Garcia, Nats. Lazardo. Alvarez, Marlins. Casey Mize, Tigers. Sixto Sanchez, Marlins. Pete Alonso, 86. Luis Robert, Rookie Cup. Bobby Dahlbeck, Red Sox. All right, Joe Adell. Looking good in the minors right now. Stevenson for the Reds. Kershaw, World Series. Through the years, Pete Alonso, gold label. Walker Buehler, World Series, Mookie Betts. All right. Game used jersey out of 99. 45 out of 99. Will Smith for the Dodgers. Davy Garcia, Yanks. Platinum player die cut, Johnny Bench. League leader, Soto. Brady Singer, Royals. Olivares, Kansas City. Cody Bellinger, rainbow foil. Blake Taylor, Astros. Spencer Howard, Phillies. Abreu, Yanks. Scooble, Detroit. Jesus Sanchez, Marlins. Home Run Derby, Kyle Schwarber for the Cubs. Mejia, D-backs. Niedert for Marlins. Javier, Astros. Judge. Cody Whitley, St. Louis. Baez, 83. Alonzo. Reese Hoskins. All right. Orange Ice. Oakland, Liam Hendricks. 236 out of 299. Dane Dunning, White Sox. Mitch White. Bryce Harper. Goldschmidt, 86. Mountcastle, Orioles. Nate Pearson for the Blue Jays. Vladdy. Nick Senzel, rainbow foil. David Peterson for the Mets. Anderson Tejada, Texas. Kybert Ruiz, Dodgers. Stars in service, Jeter. Ian Anderson, rookie for the Braves. All right. Last 6 here for tops. Then we got the special pack. Christian Pache. Right on top there for the Braves. Tatis. Willie Mays anniversary card. Daniel Johnson, Cleveland. Varsho, Arizona. Espinal, Toronto. Paredes for Detroit. Another rainbow foil league leaders here. Shane Bieber. Aquino Future Stars. Barry Larkin 86. Cody Hoyer, White Sox. Madrigal, White Sox. Caprelli and A's. Alec Bohm for the Phillies. Freddie Galvis, 1,700 out of 2021 for the Reds. Tavares for Texas. Jimenez for the Mets. Kyle Lewis. Verlander 86. Corey Seager World Series. There's a Trout. Mookie Betts World Series. All right, the hobby exclusive Chrome pack. We got Cody Bellinger, Chris Bryant, Rafael Devers, Nate Pearson, Blue Jays. Nice one there. All right, let's get into Bowman. So we got rookie cards and prospects, obviously, in Bowman. We'll do the same thing. We'll do 6 in order of 6s. Asa Lacy, futurist for the Royals. Jared Kelly, Max Meyer. Jared Kelly again. Severino, Twins. Kirilov, rookie. Jose Garcia and Jimenez. Dylan Carlson. Alec Bohm, Rookie of the Year favorites. Phillies. Choi for the Dodgers. There's a Blaze Jordan for the Red Sox. Bo Bichette. Jesus Sanchez. Casas. Alec Thomas D-backs. Wander. Alec Bohm. Soto and Judge. Riley Green, Scouts 100. Bo Naylor. Brennan Davis, Cubs. Eddie Diaz, Rockies. Tanner Houck, Sam Huff, Varsho, and Brady Singer. Talent Pipeline, Milwaukee Brewers, Jordan Walker. 152 out of 250, Jeter Downs, purple. Red Sox. There you go, Eric. Vladdy, Luis Robert, Lacey again, Royals, J-Rod, Acosta, Texas, Bellinger, Zach Veen, Futurist, Colorado, Pache, Atlanta, Ruiz and Patino, Mike Trout, Joey Bart, Scouts 100, Bobby Dahlbeck. Oh, whoa! Look at that, our only auto, and it's a nice one. Blaze Jordan, Eric. You picked the night. You picked the night for the Red Sox. Blaze Jordan. That's a nice one. Not a bad looking auto either. Congrats. Chris Morrell, Cubs. Evan White, Rookie of the Year favorites. Chris Morrell again. Casey Mize, rookie. Devi Garcia, Cronenworth. Camposano, Acuna. Evan White, Tavares, Texas. Chisholm for Miami, rookie. Scouts 100, Casey Mize. Bryce Harper. Austin Hendrick, Futurists. Bobby Witt Jr. Braylon Marquez. Otani. Tatis. Adinzo Reyes, Detroit. Ramirez, Angels. Bobby Witt. Tatis. Mountcastle, Christian Javier. Mookie Betts. Garcia, Scouts 100 for the Yanks. Nick Maton for Phillies. Anderson Tejada, Joey Bart, Nate Pearson. Talent Pipeline, Dodgers. Lacey Hersed, Alcantara, Yankees. Chris Bubik and Tyler Stevenson. Joe Adell, Rookie of the Year favorites. Yolbert Sanchez and Ismael Mania, San Diego. All right, last 6. Surprised we didn't get any more color. We got a nice auto, but I'm surprised we didn't get another another numbered chrome card. See what we got in this last batch here. Hancock Futurist. Joe Adell. Brian Hayes, Spencer Howard, Jesus Sanchez. Junior Severino, Twins. DeGrom. J.J. Bleday, Positional Promises, or Adley. All right, there we go. 15 out of 199, Purple Chrome, Daniel Lynch, KC. Arias for Cleveland. Luis Garcia, Sixto Sanchez, Alvarez, Bobby Witt Jr. Ian Anderson. Nick Madrigal, Garrett Crochet. Pete Alonso. All right, that's an Atomic. Vavra for Colorado. Skubal, Detroit. Clark Schmidt, Yanks. Tristan McKenzie, Cleveland. Jason Dominguez, Scouts 100. Torkelson, Wander. And that's the break. Yeah, there you go. We got the Vavra Atomic. Daniel Lynch, purple out of 199 for the Royals. Jeter Downs, purple out of 250. So that's purple. This is more like maybe magenta, I guess they say. Nate Pearson, Chrome Mojo, Christian Pache, Hendricks Orange Ice out of $2.99. Will Smith out of 99, World Series game jersey. Joe Adell, Kinsler out of 76. And the big one of the break there, Blaze Jordan going out to the Sox. Nice one. Thank you, everyone. Fuchsia, okay. Got it. Thank you, everyone, for joining. Appreciate that. I'm going to hang on here. Anyone wants to do personals or hop in any of the breaks that I showed, I'm going to put them up on the screen now. Thank you, guys.